What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best leaf blowers in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Poulan Pro PPBV25, a great gas leaf blower. This Poulan leaf blower has a powerful 25cc 2-cycle gas motor capable of air speeds up to 230 miles per hour, which makes it the best gas-powered leaf blower for air speed we reviewed. If you are looking for a gas leaf blower that offers raw power, this is the machine for you. This gas-powered leaf blower has a cruise control feature and trigger-operated variable speed control attached to the soft grip handle. Those features along with the anti-vibration capabilities built into its design reduce muscle fatigue and make it comfortable to operate. Black & Decker LB700, best lightweight leaf blower. When it comes to value, it's hard to beat the Black & Decker LB700. It's a corded electric leaf blower with a 7-amp motor that provides a healthy 180 miles per hour of air speed, which means it's ideal for garden paths, backyards and lawns. At 4.4 pounds it's a small, lightweight blower that you can hold in one hand. A cord retention mechanism means you won't get annoying cord snags as you walk around your property. As well as the electric cord, the main disadvantage is that there's no vacuum option, so only consider the Black & Decker LB700 if you're only looking for a blower to move leaves around your home. Let's be clear, this is a no-frills product, but what it lacks in features it makes up for in value. The Black & Decker LB700 does the job well, and the air speed is high enough that you'll have no problems with debris of any sort. Toro 51621, best budget leaf blower. The Toro 51621 is an electric leaf blower that doesn't cost hundreds of dollars, making it a good option for people that don't have a big budget. This leaf blower is compact but extends to a lengthy 41 inches, putting it closer to the ground for maximum blowing and sucking power. As it is an electric leaf blower, the area it can be used in is restricted by the length of your extension cord. On the plus side, you'll never run out of gas or battery power as you're blowing away a mound of leaves. This tool blows air at a maximum of 250 miles per hour, which is the most powerful out of any leaf blower we reviewed. This electric blower can push leaves up to 16.8 feet away, which is a very good distance. Although, this does put it a little behind the best leaf blowers in our reviews. Husqvarna 125BVX, best gas leaf blow. The Husqvarna 125BVX is a gas-powered leaf blower that has a 1.1 horsepower 2-cycle motor, which provides the leaf power with a moderate level of power. This gas leaf blower is all about easy use as it has an ergonomic design makes it very easy to maneuver. The inline fan housing reduces stress on your arm and wrist, making the machine comfortable to use. The 38.5-inch hose length puts the nozzle closer to the ground than most models we reviewed, lowering the amount of stretching and turning you have to do. There are interchangeable flat and round nozzles that direct airflow at 2 different air speeds for a maximum of 170 miles per hour. This leaf blower doubles as a yard vacuum with a bag that holds up to 17 gallons of debris. It also has a mulching function to reduce material and increase bag capacity. The Husqvarna leaf blower is one of the louder leaf blowers in our comparison, reaching up to 97.9 decibels, so we highly recommend wearing hearing protection while you corral yard debris. Black & Decker LSWV36, best leaf blower overall. We chose the Black & Decker LSWV36 as the best overall because it strikes a good balance between power, quiet performance and price. While it isn't the most powerful leaf blower we looked at, it is the easiest to use. Its general functionality and rich feature package make it a strong choice overall. The Black & Decker is a battery-powered leaf blower, and so it doesn't require gas or an extension cord. On a full charge, the battery should last about 30 minutes. This lightweight leaf blower weighs 6.9 pounds, the lightest in our comparison. The average weight of the leaf blowers we evaluated is 8.43 pounds, the heaviest being 10.8 pounds, so you can use this blower for a full 30 minutes without feeling exhausted. Thanks for watching. For more details, follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.